Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to perform a premium Apple SIM unlock using your IMEI number of your iPhone 15. So to get your IMEI number, you just have to dial this phone number on your phone app, and then enter the IMEI.info website and input the IMEI number right here and press check IMEI. You'll get some basic info about your phone, and down here you'll find the Apple unlock. And here you'll have to press the unlock iPhone 15 and go through the process, pay some money, and you'll be done. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.